Okay, suppose to convert XD, it is to convert AD. To convert AD into ABCEF. Okay, to convert AB into ABCD, first A. So different, it is AA different, it is AD, it is AD converted into A means operating one deletion. Suppose here one represent, it is one represents AD, it is AD converted into A. AD converted into A means delete D, means vertical arrow, it is the vertical arrow represents deleting. Next, same, next one, to convert AD into ABC, it is to convert AD into ABC, it is the ABC means AD, sorry, to convert AD into AB, it is to convert into AB into AD, AB into, AD into AB. Suppose you are using next one, 1 means minimum value, it is the minimum value is 0, 1, 1. So replace value, replace means a minimum value means 0, diagonally 0, it means replace. That means AD converted into AB means replace D with B. Suppose the diagonal represents replace value. Suppose R not equal to C. C means here B. Here R means, that is R means D. D not equal to B. If D not equal to B, if D not equal to B, if D not equal to B, just we are finding minimum value. It is the minimum value of vertical, horizontal, and diagonal. It is 0 value. 0. So 0, minimum value 0 plus. So replace, it is replace D, replace D with B. It is convert AD into AB. Next one, AD, same, AD converted into ABC. It is AD converted into ABC. So we are inserting C value. It is inserting C value. So inserting operation is represent a horizontal arrow. Next one, to convert AD into ABCDF, again insert F. So number of operations is 3. Number of operations is 3. Next, to convert AD into ADBCFG, so again inserting G, the total number of operations is 4. Okay, total number of operations is 4. Already we are calculating, suppose AD converted into ABC, first operation, that is the first operation is delete, that is delete A into D, that is delete. First operation is just delete operation because AD converted into A. Second operation, as the second operation is replace 1, same 1. Next one, that is 1 replace, that is AD convert into AB, just replace 1 because R not equal to C. Next is 2, 3, 4. So next one is ABC, that is ADC converted into ADC. 1 minute. Okay, ADC, it is ADC converted into first one A, it is ADC converted into A. ADC converted into A means the number of delete operations, that is the number of delete operations is 2. AD converted into ADC converted into ABC, the number of deleting operations. First one is A converted into what is ADC converted into A means the number of delete operations is 2. Delete A, D, and delete T, that is 2. Okay, that is vertical arrow, it is vertical down arrow represents delete operation. Means suppose ADC converted into ADC converted into A, the number of deleting operations is 2. 2 means AD. Okay, next one, ADC converted into AB, it is ADC converted into AB, same, the number of operations, that is the number of operations is 1 deleting operation, that is 1 deleting operation. Number of deleting operations means, suppose AB, it is AB means ADC converted into AB, it is ADC converted into AB, the number of deleting operations is 2, same, the number of deleting operations is 2. Okay, but you are consider R not equal to C. If R not equal to C, C not equal to B, C not equal to B means C not equal to B. Okay, C not equal to B means we are using minimum value. That is minimum value is 2, 1, 1. So consider minimum value. This they consider minimum value, and next one is 2. 2 means one deleting operation. So ADC converted into AB. That is ADC converted into AB. We are consider one replace operation. That is D operations is 2. So the total number of operations means, suppose to convert ADC into AB, the total number of operations is 2. In total number of operations, the first one is delete operation. The second one is insert replace operation. That is, the first one is delete operation. The second one is insert operation. That means ADC converted into AB. That is ADC converted into, ADC. That is ADC converted into AB. So first one, no operation. That is 0 represents no operation. And next one, D convert means replace operation. That is replace replace B with D. That is one replacement operation. This and one delete operation. That is C delete and B replace operation. So the total number of operations, that is the total number of operations is 2 to convert AB into ABC. Okay, next one. The total number of operations required ABC converted into ABC. ADC converted into ABC means, suppose here R not equal to C, R equal to C. R equal to C means just we are using diagonal. That is the minimum diagonal value. It is diagonal value. It is 1. If R equal to C, means C equal to C, use diagonal value 1. That represents only one inserting operation. That means ADC converted into AP. Only we are inserting, replace operation, D replace with B. So we are using only one operation, ADC converted into AB. It is ABC converted into AB. Okay, next one. Okay, next one. Next one means 2. 2 means, suppose here, same once again, clear. Here ADC converted into ABCDF. That means 2. 2 means, suppose R is not equal to C. That is R is not equal to C. So R is not equal to C. We are consider minimum value 1, 2, 3. Minimum value is 1. We are consider minimum value of 3 values. That is minimum value is 1. 1 plus 1. That is inserting operation. That is 1 plus 1, 2. That means ABC, that is ADC, that is ADC converted into ABCF. That is ADC converted into ABCF. That means AA. This one replacement operation, and next one is no values, no change. It is delete operation. The delete operation means the horizontal value. It is the horizontal value represents delete operations. So the total number of operations means one deleting operation. That is here one deleting operation. And next one is represented by diagonally. That is here replacement operation is represented by diagonally. Here 2 represents one deleting operation. It is represented by arrow, and one inserting operation. That is one replacement operation. The one represented is D replace with B. It is D replace with B. It is ABC. Next one is one delete operation. That is one B replace with D, and one delete operation, delete F. So the total number of operations is 2. Next one. So ADC converted into ABCDF, ABCFG. That means that is here R is not equal to C. That is a C not equal to G. We are consider minimum value. That is 2, 3, 4. That is, suppose if R not equal to C, R not equal to C means C not equal to G. C not equal to G means we are consider minimum value. That is, we are consider minimum value in the boxes of L-shaped values. That is 2, 3, 4. That is, we are consider true value. and delete B, delete another operation, that is minimum value, and performing deleting operation. That means ADC converted into A, B, C, F, G, delete operations, 2 deleting operation, 1 replace operation. The total number of operations is 3. That is the total number of operations is 3. 1 replace operation, that is 1 replace operation means it represented by diagonal, that is the diagonal represents replace operation, and 2 inserting operations, 1 inserting operation, sorry, 1 delete operation, another deleting operations. So the number of arrows, that is the number of change values, that is the number of change values is represent number of operations, totally 3. In 3 operations, 2 deleting operation, and next one is 1 here, 1 insert, replace operation or change operation. So the total number of operations is 3. So here ADC converted into, what is the first one, that is the first one, this arrow, what is the fourth row represent, that is the fourth row represents ADC converted into first one A, second one AB, third one ABC, fourth one ABCF, and fifth one ABCFG. That is the number of operations required, either insertion or deletion, or replace. The total number of operations is 3. So how we are finding total number of operation, either inserting or deleting by arrow values. That is 2 horizontal value. That is 2 horizontal values. That is row values, horizontal values, and 1 vertical. That is 1 no change. That is vertical value. Where the value is changed, that arrows is considered. So the total number of operations is 3. How we are calculating? The number of arrows, that is depends upon the horizontal, that is horizontal represent deletion, vertical represent inserting, diagonal represent replace. Here 1 replace operation, 0 to 1 means 1 replace operation, same 1 to 1 means no replace operations is performed, 1 deleting operation and another deleting operation. In 3 operations, that is in 3 operations, 1 deleting, 1 replace operation, 2 delete operations. So to convert the ABC, that is to convert the ABDs into ABCFG, the total number of operations is 3. So next slide, that is next we are consider ABCD, that is ADCE, that is ABC, ADC is converted into A, the total number of operations. That is how we are performing total number of operations. The first one, E. First one is E. First one, ADCE. ADC is converted into A. ADC is converted into A means, so R is E is not equal to C. If E not equal to C means R not equal to C. R E not equal to C represent row not equal to column. So we are consider minimum value. That is the minimum value is 2. 2 delete operation, that is 2 means minimum value. We are using another deleting operation. That deleting operations means ADCD converted into ADC is converted into A means you are deleting 3 operations, deleting ADC. A represent, that is ADC is converted into E. The total number of deleting operations is 3. Okay, next one. ADC is converted into AB. That is same ADC is, that is ADC converted into AB. The total number of operations is 3. Here total number of operations 3 represents by using 3 value, 1 replacement value. That is here your diagonal value, 1 replace. That is R is not equal to C. We are consider minimum value, 1 replacement operation, 1 deleting operations based on the arrows. That is based on the values 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. That is 1, 1, 2, 3 means 1 deleting operation, 1 replace operation. How is a total number of operations 3? In total number of operations 3, 2 inserting operation, 1 replacement operation. It is ABCD. That is clear. Suppose ABCDE, that is ABCD is converted into AB. That is ABCD is converted into AB. So no operation. So 1 replacement operation. That is here 1 replacement operation. And next one is two deleting operations. That is AD is converted into AB. ADCF is converted into AB. Total number of operation, one replacement operation. It represented by diagonal, one diagonal. And next one is two deleting operations. That is one vertical arrow and vertical arrow represent deleting operation. Horizontal arrow represents, that is the horizontal arrow represents inserting operation. Here only you are using two deleting operation, one inserting operation. Count is 3. Okay. Next one. ABCDF convert ABCE converted into ABCF. So you are using another value, it is 2. 2 means here E not equal to, okay. E not equal to C. It is E not equal to C means ADCF is converted into ABC. ADC converted into ABC. We are using only two operations, one deleting operation and next one is one replacement operation. That means ADCE converted into only ABC. ADC is converted into ABC. One replacement operation. That means D replace with B and C same and D delete operation means one replacement operation, one deleting operation. It represented by 2. It means you are consider minimum value. Suppose R is not equal to, it is R is not equal to C. R means row value. It is E. E not equal to column value. That is C. So not equal to means you are consider minimum value. That is minimum value means 1, 2, 3. In 1, 2, 3, minimum value is 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 delete operation 2. 1. 1 plus 1 to deleting operation. Same 2, 3. So 2, 3. That means same R is not equal to C. Same you are using a minimum one replacement operation. That means C is converted into ABCF. You are using two replacement operation, one replacement operation, another replacement operation, totally two replacement operations. That means the diagonal arrows, that is 1, 2. So you are using change values, 0 to 1 change one value, 1 to 2 change one value. The total number of operations is 2. Next one is 3. Same, the total number of operations 3. 1 delete operation, 2 replacement operations. Arrow. Horizontal arrow represents, that is the horizontal arrow represents deleting operation, vertical arrow represents inserting operation, diagonal operation is represents replacement operation. So same A, B, C, D. Okay, last one, same. Next one, this same A, B, C, D convert A, B, A, D, C, F, G is converted into A, B, C, ABC, FG. The total number of operations is 4, 4, 4, 3, totally 2. Totally 2 means we are consider, suppose first one G not equal to C, consider minimum value 3. That is inserting operation 4. Here next one B, G not equal to B. So consider minimum value 3 value and replace operation. So replace operation. Next one G not equal to E. So we are consider minimum value 2 plus 1 inserting operation 3. So 3 operations. Next 3 operation we are consider 3 values, that is the minimum value is 2. So totally ADCEFG X value ADCEG is converted into ADCFG. The total number of operations is 2. The 2 represents change of values. That is 2 represent change of values. It means diagonal 2 not change, 1 to change one operation. Next 1 not change one operation. That means we are performing 2 inserting replacement operation. One is D replaced with B. Sorry, X converted into Y means D replaced with B. One replacement operation. Another one is E replaced with F. That is E replaced with 1 F. What is the minimum number of operations? That is the minimum number of operations to convert one to convert one string into another string is called string editing. So X string is converted into Y string. That is, the X string is converted into Y string. The total number of operations, minimum operations is only 2. So how we are calculating minimum number of operations? So the total last value, that is C of M comma when value is 2. How we are getting 2? By arrow value. That is how we are getting arrow, previous value, diagonal value, 2 not change, and diagonal arrow 2 not change. So 1 to change, 1 replacement operation. Next one 0 to change 1 replacement operation. The total number of operations, that is the total number of operations is 2 replacement operations, 1 second, and next one is fourth character. The second character and fourth character is replace X converted into Y. X converted into Y means D replaced with B, F replace, E replaced with F. The total number of replacement operations is 2. So same values, that is the same values is calculated. That is the same values is calculated by using formulas. That is same you are using tabular value, or by using formula. It is same in formula, same you are consider 3 minimum values. That is